Scallops are mollusks that move along the ocean floor by clapping their shell together to create a jet of water that pushes them forward. They are buttery, soft, and delicious, covered in a light lemon crumb on top of creamy white bean puree. You know, every one of these recipes has a little bit of my heart and soul into it. And it's just such a great experience for me to get to put them all in my first cookbook, especially with fish. And it's all about the citrus, that beautiful steamed mahi-mahi with the lime and ginger. And who can forget that charred mahi-mahi with the grilled oranges and the orange butter sauce. Now this is a lemon and white bean puree, which is gonna be a perfect bed for my sea scallops and lemon crumb. Just put a little bit of olive oil, Parmesan, white beans, and to it, I'm just gonna add a little bit of warm melted butter. How good does that look? And, because I'm all about the citrus, some fresh lemon. I love using the peel. It has so much good flavor in it. And now that I've put some of that fresh peel in there, just a bit of the fresh juice. Oh. Just need to blitz it up. Now, as it goes, you might need to add a little bit more butter, but these beans are really good to puree with. They're really versatile, and they'll take on whatever you put with it. I'm just gonna give it a little taste. Creamy, citrus. The Parmesan is big in there. Because I'm such a gangster, I'm gonna add a little bit more citrus, because this is all about the citrus. Just blitz it up one more time. Man, this is gonna be such a good bed for my sea scallops with the lemon crumb. Speaking of sea scallops, look at how beautiful these are, meaty and sweet. I'm just gonna pat them dry because that's going to guarantee that I get a beautiful golden crust. Just some sea salt on the top. Let it dance on that beautiful, sweet, meaty flesh. Just a little bit of canola oil in the pan, medium to high heat. Salt side down. That's a happy sound for me. Really happy sound. These cook quickly to develop the crust, but once you flip them, they can sit for a few minutes. The perfect texture for me is about a medium. I'm watching it right now, and I can see that I have some really good golden color, which is time for me to flip. Oh, wow. Look at that. And on top of that lemon, Parmesan, and white bean puree, man, you're gonna have the neighbors knocking at the door. Scallops, they love butter. Just a few cold pieces in here, and I'm just gonna get a little leaf of thyme. A little slice of lemon, and then you can turn it off the heat. Just the oil from the thyme and the butter, the natural juice in the scallop, the fresh lemon. How simple is that? So I'm just gonna make this lovely lemon breadcrumb. I'm all about the texture. What a great way to use leftover bread. And because it's all about the citrus, I need to add some lemon. That's the sound of some great crunch. Just to finish, some fresh parsley. Parsley into my breadcrumb. It's such a good sound. Creamy, creamy Parmesan and lemon white bean puree. So simple. And that's what my philosophy is all about with this dish. The scallops kind of do the work themselves. The bean puree is so easy, minimal ingredients. And that breadcrumb, you're kind of just using what's left over. Keep it simple. And sometimes I'll use a little bit of the pan juices from the scallop. Lemon, thyme, flavor of the ocean. And for some crunch, because I love texture, toasted breadcrumbs with lemon and parsley. I'm just gonna finish with a few pistachios. I think the nuttiness goes well with the balance of the sweet scallop and that creamy bean puree. I mean, how cute is that? I have to taste this scallop. The crust on it is just great. That, for me, is a perfectly cooked scallop. White bean puree. Oh, there's lemon everywhere. The white bean puree is so creamy. That is a restaurant quality dish that I am really proud of. Yeah.